So, about 4 months ago, one of my friends called me up on the phone and told me that he'd been following one of my guides on a side hustle. He wanted to get started on it. So he asked me about this side hustle, and I said yes, this is such a good side hustle, get started with it. A few days ago, he started texting me and sent me these texts showing me that he had made over $800, almost $900, and then $1,400 in 3 days. I've been talking about side hustles for probably a couple of months now. I've tried dozens of different side hustles. We've talked about a lot of them. So, if you're sick of reading these side hustle posts that just straight up lie to you and make claims that are so bogus, this is the post for you. These are the 5 most real side hustles you could start, and I know family and friends making money with these hustles. Let's dive in. 1. Local service biz. Now, the first one we're going to talk about I want to talk about first just because of the speed. You can have money in your pocket within the next 24 hours, and that's local service businesses. My favorite one of these is window washing, and I'll tell you why here in a minute. But you could do this with virtually any local service business. So, we're talking pest control, irrigation, taking care of trees, taking care of lawns, Christmas lights, power washing, all of these things. You can take this little micro business and start now. The reason I like window washing is because it's so easy. You don't have to have almost any expense up front to get it going, and it's almost guaranteed if you pick the right neighborhood that you're going to get sales. If you're like me, you heard the word door-to-door sales, and you're probably about to click X on this post. Just the word is scary enough to you. I hate door-to-door sales. I've done it in multiple different industries. I get so nervous before that door answers. That's okay. There are 3 different ways that you can go about kind of promoting your local service business. Whatever you pick, you can run Facebook ads, okay? So, Facebook ads, you can pull up an area in Facebook just like this, and you can run an ad. So, you can say, hey, I want to target this neighborhood with my ads, and it's that easy. You can also go out to a neighborhood, a well-to-do neighborhood, and you can put out flyers in the neighborhood and say, hey, I'll be in your neighborhood in 3 days washing windows, power washing, something like that. Would you like me to stop by? Just send me a text. 2 sauce. I like it because you can eventually take what you're doing in number 2, and it can turn into passive income. What this is called a white label SaaS model. If you haven't heard of any of those words, that's okay. I hadn't just a few years ago. So, what white label means here is a software is going to let you take their entire software and brand it to yourself. So, I could call the software financeable software whatever I wanted. I can put it on my website, my domain, pick my colors, and everything. So, it becomes mine. But they're still the ones running the whole software, creating it, updating it, making sure it works. Now, the best software for this by far is a company called Go High Level. Go High Level is a marketing CRM. You can kind of think of it like Salesforce or HubSpot. It offers emails, landing pages, websites, all these things that virtually every business out there, both small and large, is going to need. The way people are doing so well with this is they're picking a niche and they're branding the software to their niche. They're saying, hey, I've got this marketing CRM that's built specifically for carpet cleaning businesses, right? Then they can brand the whole software to that, and they can go and create landing pages, websites, email automation, text automation, everything that a carpet cleaning business would need to function online. Then all they have to do is get one local carpet business to sign up and have it work with them. Maybe the one closest to them that gets them to sign up. It starts working, and that local marketing business starts getting leads and converting leads. They've got this system that's proven to work, and in one single click, they can copy and paste that system and they can go one city over and say, hey, I've got a system that's working well for this carpet cleaner a couple of cities away. Would you like me to build something for you that's similar, that's already proven to work? And they can just move all over the country and bring on all these different clients with this system that's proven to work. They can charge each one of these carpet cleaners $200, $300 a month for this working system. So, you see how this eventually becomes passive. If you've read any of my posts, you know I'm a huge fan of passive income. I'm a huge fan of doing as much work as you can now to bring results later. and this will do that. You can click this link to go high level as I mentioned. For totally free. I promise they're not going to sell you anything. I've just asked them to give me access to their free course, and they said okay. So, go check it out. 3. Middleman between AI software and business. The third one is really fun because I think 2024 will be the best year in history and the best year ever going forward or backward for this side hustle. And what it is being a middleman between some kind of AI software and some kind of business that needs the AI software. If you look back a year ago before ChatGPT existed, companies were hiring people to do copywriting, to build websites, to write emails, to create marketing materials, to do ads, all of that stuff. But if you flash forward to today, it started with ChatGPT, but now it's just about every single day. Like I can't even log into my YouTube account anymore without a new group of AI tools popping out and running ads to me. And these tools are replacing virtually everything that a business owner needs. Some tools can build complete websites. Some tools can write incredible marketing emails, incredible LinkedIn posts, and incredible Facebook posts. And a lot of people are saying, well, it's over, right? It's over for freelancers. Like these AI tools are going to be able to do everything. But the truth of the matter is that's just not how it's going to work because 99% of these business owners are never going to take the time to learn how to use these tools. Two things will always have to be done to make AI work well for a business. One is knowing how to speak to the AI and knowing the right things to say so that it fully understands what it is that you want in your business. And then the second thing is you need the AI to be trained a little bit. It needs to be trained up on you, your voice, your business, what you sell, what your brand is all about, what your stance is on things and stuff like that. It needs that. And you have to know how to teach an AI how to do that. And so, if you can find one specialization, whether it's whiteboard videos, video editing, videos with B-roll, YouTube videos adding those Hosey-style text, any of that, you find a specialty and you'll have an advantage that most of these business owners will never get because they just don't have the time to put in to do that. So, you need to specialize in one thing and freelance, specialize in one thing, and you'll find that people refer you right and left. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below and share it with your friends. Until next time.